Say you're at the home improvement store and you're facing this wall of samples and you're hoping for something that's more of a marble look. You might scan the rows and decide that this guy here looks pretty nice, it's subtle, it's looking kind of quiet, but you want to review the entire stack of samples because when you're dealing with a pattern that's mimicking stone, the overall effect can look very different from one sample to the next. So we'll pull this guy off here, the entire stack, and this is NUVOLATO marble by ARBORITE. So you can see this first one is looking pretty nice, not too busy, not too loud, but look at the second one. That's a lot stronger, it's a lot darker, there's a lot more contrast in there. So this is why it's really important to review the entire stack. This gives you a better sense of what you can actually expect when you get the entire 4x8 or 8x12 sheet.
Also want to view an image of the full slab to get an idea of what the entire countertop will look like. You can do this by going to the manufacturer's website, navigating to the countertop that you're interested in, and there should be either a button or an image that demonstrates the whole 4x8 or 5x12 slab.